G'day folks, this is the Coffee Bush Kid in Central Vic. And there's one right there that we've got just sitting there. It's all halfpenny. And if I do this, we've got something else there too. So let's have a bit of a squeeze. Oh, look at that. Look at that big beautiful thing just rolling out. Hey, how's that? She's a big penny, big rim on it. Could be a cartwheel. Hey, we better check to see if there's anything else here. Nope, that's it. Well, that's pretty cool. Right, now we've already got a nice little signal somewhere down in there. Just down in there. Let's see what we can... Oops, hopefully that hasn't disturbed it too much. Let's see. Oh, what have we got? What have we got? It's just screaming there. Still haven't got it out. My apologies for the light. Okay. Let's just move. Oh ho ho! Look, where are we? What's that? Yep. Ha ha! That is the top of a kerosene lamp. And there's the little hole for the wick adjuster. And there's a little hinge on the back of it. How cool is that? Got a nice little signal here. Just in there. So, we'll see what we get. Actually beautiful digging, just with my finger. Oh, what's that? Oh yeah, this is something pretty cool. Oh yeah, you ready for this? How cool is that? That's pretty bloody neat. Be part of a clock or something. Gave a nice signal. You just might be able to see that in the ground. So that's a belt buckle. So we'll try and dig around it to gently get it out. Here we go. Oops, it's already broken. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's a cricket belt buckle. You don't think I'm bloody happy? Cool. That's brilliant. And there's the other little bit of it. Now it's just pressed stuff, so it's pretty delicate. Oops, where are we? Pretty delicate. But to find another cricket belt buckle, that's bloody brilliant. Very happy with that. Right. Nice, good, strong signal. I've already dug around the hole. Now I've just got to gently lift it out. Let's see what we can find. Somewhere down in there is our target. It's just in there. So that's really good. So we'll get the old shovel out again. And do the one-handed. Out you come. The wind's all blowing up. Let's see how we go now. Oop, look at that. See down in there? Look at that. How cool is that? Now, it's in well, so I just want to take a bit more soil out from around it first. Hoo-ah! Look at that. And there we go. Now I'm tipping that that's actually a token. It's 18. What is that? I can't really see. No. Melbourne, Victoria. So straight away, it's more than likely a Hyde and DeCarl one. It seems to be in really good nick. Up there will tell us. Yeah, I think I can see DeCarl. Anyway, that is pretty cool. I could bloody read the 1857. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. It's not Roman, Tony, but that is a cracking find. Ha! I've got a nice solid signal where you can see the dig marks. I haven't lifted it up. It's just in there nicely. So I'm hoping that it's silver, naturally. We'll have a look. Ha! And there it is. Look at that. Old harmonica. It's going to be a bit like Johnny Cash, is that you have to change harmonica faster than you can kiss a duck. Okay, I've just got a signal. Just a nice little one there. There's a solid 44. So of course I'm hoping it's probably a token of some description. That would be really nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is big and it's heavy, and I'd half reckon that's actually a cartwheel. Can't see anything on it. Can just see that really nice deep edge there, big thick edge on it. So that would be a 1797 cartwheel penny. Thank you very much. It's not bad, eh? So keep in mind, it's always good to fill in some of your day detecting So remember to fill in all your holes when you're finished. And we'll catch you next time.